Hello, my name is Ricardo Gonzalez, and I am currently a student at Stockton University where I'm working towards my Bachelor of Arts degree in Historical Studies with a concentration in education. I'm a member of the honors program here at Stockton as well, and as you can see, my family is very important to me and have instilled many values in me that I believe will carry over to being an effective high school history teacher. On the next tab, I've attached some highlights of my resume. I've had the same job for a number of years working in a warehouse called Palatronics. I have many coworkers, and it has taught me a lot about working as a team to accomplish a goal. I have worked with kids in the past, being a summer league basketball coach for a township close by. I'm a big fan of basketball, and I've worked with kids. Working with kids is just an added bonus. Being in the honors program has made me branch out a lot, as we have service requirements that we must meet every semester, so I am involved with the local community often in a number of different ways. I have attached a picture on my homepage of me volunteering at a local animal shelter. For a more detailed view of my resume, please feel free to click the link below and view my full resume. The next tab is my technology tab. Here you will find 15 of my works using various tech tools for the classroom. I am looking forward to implementing a lot of these tech tools in my own classroom. Technology has become a big part of our everyday lives and can be an effective tool to use in the classroom. On the next page, I have attached a lesson plan that I worked on with a fellow classmate. We designed a history lesson for 4th grade students. Here's a screenshot, and if you want a more detailed view, please feel free to click the link off to the side. I have attached some important sections of my teaching philosophy here. Being a teacher, there's a certain level of professionalism that I feel is essential for both the students and your coworkers. As a teacher, working and collaborating with others is essential for student learning. I feel my experience in the past has prepared me for that as well. Working in a team has also prepared me to accept others and have an open mind, which is essential for building an inclusive classroom. Obviously, bullying has no place in my classroom, and I believe by creating an inclusive environment where the class feels they are a part of a team can stop the harmful effects of bullying and promote more friendships instead of hardships. Here on my final tab, I have attached my essential skill competence. I believe my teaching philosophy demonstrates my ability to think critically, and my work and my volunteer experience has prepared me to work in a team setting. Thank you for taking the time to be my professional portfolio, and I look forward to hearing from you.